I'm Sagar from Pixtech. Pixtech is basically it works on vision system solutions where we read barcodes, presence of the detection. Actually, we work on inspection things like QA, QC. Here it is AOM machine, automated optical machine. Like it will read the data that we train and it will inspect whether it's working or placement is proper, distance is proper, and orientation is proper, like that. It will inspect based on our training. And here currently it's reading the QR codes that's on the PCB, so we can transfer the data in Excel format or any custom database if any company provides. We'll transfer those data to there. And here it's currently inspecting small capacitors where where they are placed or not, is it present or not, like that, where it's not visible to a naked eye, so that it will inspect, and if any changes are there in the small components, it will read that also and give us an okay image, so that we can get any defect is there and we'll change it. Here it's measuring the distance between the capacitors, and orientation is checking, so that it's a pre-soldering inspection. So after soldering, it may lead to short circuits and all. So it will inspect the things whether orientation is okay, and later it will pass to next station so that it can get soldered. So this is a demo setup, and currently we have given a 2D only itself here, and we support for 3D also. Like we have 3D laser things, so that in that we can get 3D imaging of the component, and we can analyze defects in that. So it will help.